Hello everyone, Apocalypse Hub here, and this is another tech edition. And for this episode, I will be doing a first impressions review of the D2 Android tablet, purchased for $80. I did an unboxing of this a couple of days ago, and I managed to remove some of the bloatware that came with it, and downloaded several apps that I tried and tested just to see how responsive it would be. So far, so good. It's very responsive. I'm very happy about the sound quality. Although for this model, the speaker is in the back. So when I do have it in the case, which is this one, purchased this separately, then obviously it's gonna mute it. It actually mutes it quite a bit, so that's the downside of that. But without the case, I just want to show you guys how this sounds like. I downloaded a game called Death Moto, and that's what it looks like. So you see, not any issues whatsoever. This is a fun game, actually. First time I'm trying this. Anyway, I'm gonna pause this. Go to main. Pretty cool soundtrack to it. And this is not even, I don't think I have it on max volume. This is max volume. So it is very loud. Speakers, nice. The image is nice. Responsiveness of the screen itself is nice. Let's go back to the home screen. This is actually for our son, so I'm trying to kind of customize this somewhat. You know how it is when you get a gift, you kind of want to test it out, so you don't really want to start downloading apps. You just want to kind of jump into it. So I got that for him. I actually downloaded Contract Killer 2, the zombies, to test it out, and I've uninstalled it, but it worked perfectly in this one, which was surprising. I didn't think it was gonna work well at all, or it was gonna have some kind of lag, but it didn't. Cool game too. So anyway, downloaded some basic stuff here for him. YouTube, watching videos here is not an issue at all. It's pretty fast. Put my own channel there. Apocalypse. It's always very awkward to type because I'm looking through the video screen while I'm doing it. So this is my own channel, and let's see. Can do test it out. Got the Asus transformer pad. I'm gonna skip this ad because so you see, screen within the screen. Okay, that's kind of a poor choice, I guess, on my part. But video is not an issue at all. No lags. Tried Angry Birds on this. No lags on that either. Camera, I don't remember how many pixels this has, but it's not very high. You're not gonna get the best images, but it's there. Video camera's there. It's just good basics to have if you're just starting out on the Android market. This is a good starter tablet, good entertainment kind of media tablet, good for surfing, just casual use basically. Like I said, would be a good starting point for anyone, kids, adults, teenagers. What else? Let's see. Some of the apps that came with it are these, targeted for little kids. And I'm sure there's a way of removing those. You can disable them, which I already have, but I'd really like to remove them. It's kind of an eyesore. But I'll figure that out for next time. It's not a big concern for me right now. Comes with Tango. I haven't tried that out yet, but I would imagine that works with this. Why would they install something here that's not going to work with it? Tom Droid, I'm not sure what that is. It's the first time I've actually heard of that. Somewhere in here was a Netflix icon too. Can't seem to find it now. Maybe I removed it by accident. But again, it came pre-installed with this, so you would hope that if they pre-package the app in this, that you can expect it to work. Haven't tested it out yet. Like I said, this is just kind of a first impressions type of review. Aldeco came with it. I actually prefer that to the Kindle app, believe it or not. It's just, I've been using the Kindle app and the Nook app and the Aldeco app on my Asus Transformer, and so far this is the one that I prefer out of all of them. It runs smoothly, it's easier to set up, and I just like the controls better. It's just a personal preference. That's why I didn't bother with the Kindle app for this one. Dropbox, always good to have on any device. Let's see, browser. I guess I should test that too. As far as how fast it loads. Okay, let's see. Twitter. Search. Okay. There is pinch to zoom on this one. See how fast this goes to the actual Twitter site. And there you have it. It's the mobile Twitter. Not too bad, huh? It's pretty fast. What I'm probably going to do with this too is download a launcher just to make things kind of more visually appealing. The ADW launcher, I've used it before. It's easily customized and you have a little more options. And you can always go back to the default launcher anyway. But I haven't tested that out yet. But so far, just for the basics, if you want to check your email, you want to check, go surf the net, watch YouTube videos, play a few games, read a couple of ebooks. I mean, this is a really decent tablet. Like I said, this is going to be given to somebody else. I almost kind of want one for myself. Same thing. I said the same thing about the Emerson one that I reviewed. I'm surprised with the quality of the actual device. It's sleek looking, feels good in your hands, lightweight. Let me see, go to the settings. As far as storage, again, I think it comes with a 2 gigs internal memory. So I popped in a micro SD card there. I think I had 4 gigs available, so didn't have any problem mounting it. So I'd have that extra space for him. Downloaded an apps to SD application. That's always good to have. What else? It's just your basic casual user kind of Android tablet, and so far so good. For $80, very responsive. There were a couple of apps that I tried to download that I wanted to play, and I don't know if it was the game itself or it was because of the tablet, the compatibility issues or whatever, but it would get up to the the welcome screen, and nothing would happen. I forget which one it was. It's one of the more forget. I don't even know, but it was just basically to test out which games works and which ones don't. But so far, I would say 9 times out of 10, everything I've tried on this have worked so far. Actually found a website or files. I have files on my desktop that shows me how to install the Google Store in this one. I'm not sure if I'm going to do it, to be quite honest, because there are other ways of getting the same apps that are there. Like One Mobile Market has the same apps, and I have other ways of getting it, other market apps, apps market, to get your apps from, so that's not really a big issue for me. But overall, I guess I should wrap this up. It's going 10 minutes, going 11 minutes now. Would I recommend this? Yes, absolutely. For 80 bucks, 7-inch tablet, entry level, yeah. But if you've had, I don't know, more expensive devices in the past, would you like this? Of course, I like it. I've owned some really, you know, like $300 tablets that would smoke this kind, but you know what? It is what it is. I wouldn't want you not to pick it up just because of the price. Don't think of it that way. It's good for the price, for a casual user, for entry level Android users. Another thing I almost forgot, the Wi-Fi, I didn't have any problems connecting to it at all, so that's a plus. Battery usage, not too bad. I haven't really done any stress tests to it yet. I might do an update, kind of a final wrap-up review if I get a chance to do that, because I'd actually like to see how long the battery would hold up, you know, for heavy usage or for just everyday email checking, surfing, playing a couple games kind of use, that sort of stuff. So that might be another video, but so far the D2 tablet, really good. And from what I've read in the forums, various Android forums, they already have an update for this that fixes some kind of issue with the Kindle app not loading properly. I don't know if that's what the issue is, but it has something to do with the Kindle, and that fixes that bug, which I haven't done yet because, again, I'm probably not going to download the Kindle app. I'm going to leave the Aldico there. Serves the same purpose. And it does come with a charger. That doesn't come with the case. Picked this up at the same place. Really good. The only bad thing is the speakers are in the back, so it mutes the sound quite a bit. So if you're going to use the case while you're watching a video or listening to MP3s or whatever, you're going to have to use the headset probably, because you're not going to be pleased with the quality of sound coming out of the speakers in the back. But without it, the sound issue is not even there. It's non-existent. In the screen, you can see how nice and crisp the screen is, so no complaints. Only downside would be that thing, speaker in the back, you know, mutes it. Maybe the picture quality of the camera, I haven't really messed around with that, so I can't really say it for sure. Otherwise, responsiveness is good. It's quick. Ease of use is, I mean, straight out of the box. Just charge it up overnight. It's good to go, guys. So again, thank you for watching. This is the D2 Android tablet. This is my first impressions review. Maybe I'll be able to do a final wrap up along with a blog post at the site just to give you the overall details and all that good stuff. But for now, thanks for watching.